Hey, Bo here with DocumentCam.com. I'm going to be unboxing the very sleek looking CZUR Shine800 dot cam here. So yeah, let's open this up and see what's inside. Oops. So yeah, this has got this convenient handle to prevent you from doing silly stuff like dropping it like I just did. So yeah, here we go. Yeah, a little bit of styrofoam here on the top. Nice little envelope. Let's open this up. Yeah, as expected, this has an instruction manual and a installation CD in there. Put that off to the side here. And I apologize if there's a little bit of background noise. I am on my balcony here in urban Honolulu, so it'll be a little loud. Yeah, look at this beautiful guy here. So this is the doc cam itself. Right. Put this off to the side for a second while I open the other stuff. Got a nice little mat here. Unroll that for the document camera. Okay, there's a couple boxes in here. First we have foot pedal. So foot pedal, yeah. So this is something that definitely sets CZUR apart. I haven't seen this with other .cam brands, .com models. So you can see, think of some creative ways to use the foot pedal here, but yeah, some interesting use cases there for that guy. And finally, it looks like we have the USB cable. So yeah, that's everything in the box there. Get the box out of the way and set up the document camera. So, here we are. One can extend, there we go, that way. Alright, set that up like so. And then I assume the mat is going to roll out and fit next to the model there. Yep, it even has a nice little indentation there, so you can see where it fits really snugly, really nicely there with the camera itself. Alright. You see you have the power switch right here, I'm guessing. Modulate the volume or the anything else you need to do there. Oh, the brightness, the volume. Silly. Alright, and then the cable here. So this is a USB 2.0 cable. Let's see here, you got, right? And then it's got this kind of entryway point. This is good. This is good for cable organization. Cable fits snugly there. All right, and then there you go. You're good to go. I would probably actually put this somewhere else in terms of the way it looks, but just to show you how it plugs into the USB port. You're good to go. You see it lit up there. Already good to go, ready to go. So yeah, for more unboxings, you can follow this YouTube channel, and for a more detailed review of this document camera and other document cameras, go to DocumentCam.com. Again, my name is Bo. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Take care.